Question for you. Do you have fluffy and perfect recipe for whole wheat pancakes? If not, I'm gonna show you the one you can make. They're so good. You'll need buttermilk, but because I never have buttermilk on hand, you can use milk and just add some white vinegar to it. Let it sit for 5 minutes and it's gonna become this kind of like homemade buttermilk. So then you make batter with an egg, buttermilk, flour, and a few simple things like oil and maple syrup. And the consistency of pancake batter should be like this, like not too runny, but not too thick. So the spoon stands in it. It should fall off the spoon or whisk. So here we have 1/3 cup, measuring cup, scoop, and it should go on a very hot skillet with generous amount of oil. And do you hear it? That's good. You see how fluffy all these bubbles? It means they're fluffy and tall these pancakes are. Super thick and fluffy. Beautiful.